Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this session, we want to learn about how to create a booker like this. First of all, we select a spline and select rectangle, set parameters, and in this part, we have to select enable in render because we want to have a 3D line of our rectangle which we have draw it. After we set the correct dimension, we add an edit spline to start shaping the object. We select segment and then select this line and delete it. And then by vertex object, we can choose these two vertex and move them. After this, we have to apply to edit poly. It's in modifier list. And in a selection part, there is edge option. Select this edge. Give it chamfer because we want to smooth sharp edges like this. Then we select a cylinder from a geometry tab. We need to adjust the angle, set its parameters, and set the rectangle which I have been drawn. Select edit poly and I have to looking for attach option because we want to merge these two objects together. Then we choose line from shapes section. We adjust it to give us a curved line. We draw from the top view. Edit vertexes by the selection tab. We apply the mesh smooth modifier by make it smoother. Draw a box. Set all of these objects in the right place. We add to edit poly because we want to edit this vertex like this. And then select mesh smooth to make it smoother. Okay, it's in the right place. We need to for boolean. It's located in compound object section. First select start picking and then pick this little shape. It wasn't in the right place, therefore I press enter Ctrl Z and edit it. Yes, that's okay. I hope this tutorial is still helpful for you, and by the way, English isn't my first language, so please excuse me if my pronunciation isn't perfect.